Hi everybody, I'm Lian Duan. Today we are going to talk about install Helm 3 on Oracle Linux 8. The topics I'm going through these videos are how to find compatible Helm 3 version, hands-on demo, install Helm 3, add and update Helm 3 repositories, and check Helm client status. For the topic, find a compatible Helm 3 version. When a new version of the Helm is released, it is compatible against particular minor version of Kubernetes. For example, Helm 3 interactive with the Kubernetes using the Kubernetes 1.16.2 client. So it is compatible with the Kubernetes 1.16. Helm is assumed to be compatible with the N-3 version of Kubernetes. Let's check my Minikube Kubernetes version. Log into my Linux box. Use command kubecontrol space version to retrieve Kubernetes version. Kubernetes version is 1.20.2. Next, based on Kubernetes version to find a compatible Helm version, open the link. My Kubernetes version is 1.20.2, while compatible with Helm version 3.5. And then find the Helm 3.5 download link. Helm 3.5.4. This is the latest compatible version with Kubernetes client 1.20.2. Copy the link. Linux AMD 64 based on my CPU. After I got the link, I'm ready to move on next topic, hands-on demo, install Helm 3. First, use wget command to download Helm 3 installation file to my local box. Download successfully. Next, unzip the file. Use tar minor zxvf space plus download file name to unzip the file. And then move the file from my download location to the usr/local/bin/helm folder. usr/local/bin directory is a place for a user to put their own executable programs. If we put the file under the user/bin folder, when the system upgrades, the file will be overwritten. Command is sudo space mv/source folder space target folder location. The command able to copy Helm client file to user/local/bin/helm folder. Next, hands-on demo, Helm repository. The Helm repository is a place where charts can be collected and shared. I will run two steps: add Helm repository and update repository. First step, add Helm repositories. Copy paste and run all commands. Add repo command is Helm repo space add plus local repo name and URL. You'll see there's an error message For example, electric already existing with the same configuration skipped because I tested the command before I run the class. If you first time run all commands, should be fine. Second step, update repos. Command is Helm Repo update. Successfully. Helm repo list used to retrieve current repository's local box. Latest topic for today, check Helm client status. Helm space help retrieve all Helm client command. There is a repo command. It used my previous hands-on demo. There is a command used to check repository's install result. Helm search repo nginx. We are able to retrieve the result. That means Helm command client installed successfully and repository setup also successfully. Today we learned how to find compatible Helm 3 version for your Kubernetes cluster and then run 2 hands-on demos. Install Helm 3 in your local box. Add and update Helm repositories. Latest check Helm client status. Thank you for your watched video. I hope it helped, and it was, do not forget to like it. If you want to be notified whenever new videos come out, then subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or something was not clear in the video, please post them in the comment section below and I will try to answer. Thank you and see you in the next video.